Hello everyone, this is Jagtar, Shergill, an insurance broker. So today I'm going to talk about life insurance. A lot of people do get car insurance, but they forgot to get life insurance to cover their debts, mortgage, car loans, credit lines, or their children's education, and cover your spouse in case something happened to you. So it's very cheap to get life insurance compared to car insurance. So I can tell you that if you are a 45-year-old male non-smoker and you get a minimum coverage of $100,000, that will cost you only $1782 for per month for term 10 years term. And if you want to get more coverage, and you can definitely do so. Like if you want to get half a million dollar coverage, then that will cost you about $43. So about $18 per month for $100,000 coverage for 10-year term, and about $44 per month for half a million dollar of coverage if you're a non-smoker, 45. But if you are smoker, and the rates goes significantly higher for a half a million dollar coverage, so it will be $124 per month for a half a million dollar insurance for 45-year-old male. So, but still, any insurance is better than no insurance. So you can choose any amount you want. You can pay according to your budget, and you can discuss with me and over the phone, and we can do insurance these days over the phone, and you can sign the documents over the phone, or we can meet in person, face to face, at convenient time for both of you and myself. So give me a call at 416-831-0215, or email me shergill.insurance@gmail.com. I will be happy to answer your questions and fill your need for insurance. Thanks for watching. So stay tuned and share this video to other people, and so that they can get benefit, and wait for my next video. Until then, all the best.